there, and welcome to my very delayed December 2020 Stitch Fix unboxing. Just a backstory, this was supposed to arrive on December 10th. Today it is the 17th, so a week late. And at some point it said, oh, it'll be there by the 13th or something. And I thought, okay, great, it'll be here by the 13th. And then I go and check on the 13th and they're like, oh yeah, no, we were wrong. We don't know when it's going to come to you. They literally had, I don't think they had any idea where my package was. And finally, like 2 days ago, I see that it had arrived at the local airport. And I'm like, okay, good. So it's on its way. I don't know what's going on with the post service, but like I had mentioned a couple of months back, the postal service has been having some interesting issues. And I get it because it's Christmas time. So it totally makes sense. This holiday season is like always going to be crazy. But the Washington Post actually did an article on the problems the post office is having. And so I just know there's a lot going on right now. Anyway, I'm glad it arrived. I am excited to see what's in here. I specifically asked my stylist, whoever it is. It had been Christine for a while, then it went to Lauren, then last month it was Erica. I don't know, whoever they are, it's fine as long as they have an idea of what I want. I've been pinning a lot of my items to like this inspiration board you can do before you receive a fix. I'll go ahead and show you a picture of what mine looks like over here. And I just basically asked for things like, I might want to have like, oh, I like this pink color of like a coat, or it might be like, I really like this dress, or hey, I like this whole outfit. What I specifically asked for in this fix was if they would please think about offering me or getting a whole outfit together for this season. We're not going to be going to a lot of parties or anything this season, but I still like to dress up. I enjoy dressing up, even if all I'm doing is going to the grocery store or wrapping Christmas presents. I still like to have something festive on. Like today, I am wearing my plaid shirt from J. Crew from a few years ago, and it's got the colors of Christmas. So even though I'm staying at home, today was a snow day, one of two, and we had one yesterday, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to probably make a Stitch Fix video today, so I might as well get dressed up in something festive. So I told her, you know, it could be casual festive, or it could be more smart festive. I didn't care. It might even be something I can wear to school tomorrow, but I wanted a whole outfit, a cohesive 5 pieces together. So we'll see what she came up with. I don't know. The box is pretty decently big, but it's very light. It's not super heavy, so there's probably nothing in here like a coat or a heavy cardigan or anything, which is fine. There we go. Okay, so got a return bag as always. The information they sent about the things. Here's the bundle. Oops, I'll go ahead and take a picture of me with the bundle. Not sure this is looking like a cohesive outfit, but whatever. I'll go ahead and actually let me move this so I can take a picture of the bundle. There we go. And so the bundle of clothing, and there is a pair of shoes in here as well. Okay, so before I open them, I'm going to go ahead and read to you what it says. I know one piece I'm going to keep because I peeked at it on looking at this, and they are definitely something I need. So I'm happy about at least one piece. Hey, Dina. And this is Mary. Oh, I got a new one again. Hey, but Mary, Christmas time. Mary, Mother of Jesus. You know, Christmas being his birthday and all. All right. I teach at a Catholic school. I clearly spend a lot of time thinking about these things. All right. Welcome back for another fix. My name is Mary, and I'm happy to be styling for you today. I saw your request for a festive look. Okay. I picked out some beautiful pieces for you to try and hope that you will find some winning pieces to add to your wardrobe for the holidays. First, I saw you've been loving the LEOTA dresses, and I thought this one in navy and yellow print would be a beautiful color pairing for this season. Well, I don't necessarily look at navy and yellow as a Christmas thing, but hey, good try. Try pairing them with HAAN leather bow wedge for a sophisticated touch. And that was what I noticed with those leather wedges, and they're navy, and I love having practical navy shoes that will be comfortable but flattering. So those look perfect. I didn't think the outfit would need a jewelry piece that is too distracting, but the classic GORJANA bar necklace would be perfect and subtle finishing touch. The WISP dress also gives you another dressy option, but with a more unique neckline that I thought you'd have fun trying. The colors are so gorgeous to have fun. Cheers, Mary. So I have a PAPERMOON Larie tie sleeve blouse, cute little necklace by GORJANA, HAAN Wedge heels, WISP Ceena jersey dress, and LEOTA Reye jersey faux wrap dress. So there we go. Just a quick look at them here on the styling cards. I mean, these pieces look cute. Not really loving the prints, but I'll pull them out in just a second and just explain to you what I'm seeing and what I am enjoying, what I'm not enjoying, etc., etc. So this one here is a really pretty color, and I wear this color well, as I've decided, because Stitchfix keeps sending it to me, and I keep keeping the pieces. It's a pretty little color, and I like the detail on the sleeve here. But the print is a little bit matronly for me. This may actually suit my stepmother a little bit more, or my mother-in-law. They both wear the same size blouse as me, so if everything ended up working out price-wise, that would be something that I would give to them. And I got it in time for Christmas, so I could actually give these out as Christmas presents if any of them don't work out for me. Next up is the WISP Ceena jersey dress. Oh yeah, that is a unique collar. Okay, so I like WISP. I've enjoyed their dresses. They fit very well. A little big in the bust, I've noticed, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me too much. This again is that color that I can wear. This is a Stitchfix exclusive, and the neckline has like a little keyhole right there. You can see me through it. And it's fully lined, and WISP dresses are usually made very, very well. So I look forward to trying that on. It's not something I normally gravitate towards, but I have noticed that the things I don't normally gravitate towards, they end up looking really nice on me. I don't know. We'll see. Again, all of these are kind of up in the air. Here is that necklace. I like GORJANA a lot, and pieces like this I would actually use because I'm not going to take it out of the package yet. I'll put it on. But it's got that look. This is actually super cute, and I would 100% wear this again and again and again every day. I usually wear like a small necklace, or sometimes I'll wear bigger ones. But I will gravitate towards pieces like this. This has like this hammered silver look, so it's very much my style. So we'll see. GORJANA is a company I do like, and I do think this is very cute. So that's a winner. And then the LEOTA Reye jersey faux wrap dress. Yeah, again, this is not something I necessarily would think of as being like a Christmas thing, but I mean, it's very pretty, and it is definitely colors that I think I look good in. But we'll have to see once I try everything on. These wrap dresses tend to look very nice on me. It has this tie detail. The belt itself is a contrast to the print, but it's coordinated. It looks very nice. I'm looking forward to trying all of these on, seeing how they look. And I'll be doing all the try-ons after this intro and outro, because I do my intro and outro in one fell swoop. And the outro of the outfits and what I decided to choose usually comes with the last outfit that I put on for you in the reviews. Okay, so we have the HAAN Adair leather bow wedge. These are so very nice. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling, unless they're too small or too big, obviously. I don't want them to be too big either. These are 100% my style. I absolutely love wedges. And a pair of wedges I bought that were navy a couple years ago from Belated. They're actually too small on me, so I have to sell them. I only wore them a handful of times. I don't know what happened. I think it may have been that when I bought them, maybe for whatever reason, my feet were a little bit smaller. I think by walking, I've actually expanded my feet. I don't know if there's any proof to that, but I'm telling you anecdotally, I've noticed that my feet have gotten a little bit like, it's not they've gotten wider or bigger. They just don't fill in these smaller spaces as well anymore. So, but this is, oh, these are gorgeous. And I love HAAN. They're usually very, very comfortable. So I really hope these fit. And I know they'll look really nice with this dress for sure. And it would probably look very nice with like just this outfit even. I could probably wear it with like a cute little skirt or something. All right, so now on to the prices so you guys can have the prices. And then after that, you will see the try-ons and you'll find out what pieces I ended up keeping. If I liked them all, 1 or 2 of them are going to be going to my stepmother or mother-in-law. Okay. So a very expensive fix. This is fix 27. The GORJANA necklace is $60. Whoa. I didn't realize GORJANA was that expensive. Oof, oof, oof. That hurts my soul. The LEOTA Reye jersey faux wrap dress in navy is $88. The WISP Ceena jersey dress in burgundy is $78. The PAPERMOON Larie tie sleeve blouse in medium is $44. And the HAAN Adair leather bow wedge is $110. If I was to buy it all, $380. And I said that the discount was $95 with a buy all. And it turns out to be $285, but then a $20 styling fee goes down to $265. So basically, if I love all of the clothing pieces, then the HAAN would be free in essence. But at this point, looking at the prices right now, the only 2 that I really do love are the GORJANA necklace and the HAAN wedges. And by the way, I didn't give her a price limit. I said, let's just have some fun at Christmas. I'm not worried about necessarily how much things cost, but I'm not going to buy something just because I have some extra money. If these don't work for me, I'm not going to keep them. I have a feeling I'm going to like the HAAN wedges and the necklace, but whether or not I want to keep the necklace is up in the air. These will last me forever. So if they fit and they look good, I'm going to keep them even if they're $110 and that's all I buy, and get the $20 off of it because in my opinion, that's worth it. A $90 pair of wedges that I will wear forever. Absolutely. So we'll see about the dresses and we'll see about the necklace. The only way it would be feasible for me to keep the blouse would be is if I kept everything. So we'll see. We'll see. I guess technically the blouse and the necklace, if I love the dresses and the blouses and the necklace, turn out to be the extra bit. We'll see how I feel about it. Okay, that's it. And I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season and that you are being festive, even though technically most of us are kind of just tied to our houses and we're not really doing much outside of the house except some brief interludes with shopping and or like I go to church on a regular basis. Okay, y'all have a lovely one and I will see you back here for January 2020. Okay, so I have on the beautiful dress by LEOTA. It's the Reye jersey faux wrap dress, and it's $88. I also have paired it with the HAAN wedges and the GORJANA little necklace. The necklace is $60 and the HAANs are $110. The HAANs are 100% staying. They are lovely. They're a size 9.5. I may see if I can trade up to a 10. The 9.5s fit. So if there are no 10s, it's actually not that big of a deal. I'm just thinking that, like, you know, it might not be a bad idea to get a 10. But either way, these are very comfortable. I feel very secure in them. They have a nice about it looks like 3-inch wedge here. The detailing is very pretty. The leather was stretchy. There's a comfort sole in it. Just like all the other HAANs I've ever owned, these are perfection. So if I can exchange for a 10, I will. If I can't, then no big deal. And I'll just be fine because they do fit in the 9.5. So the dress itself is quite lovely. Again, LEOTA does a very nice job with their wrap dresses and they're always very flattering on me. I am wearing a camisole and not the complementary color. So what I would likely do is either just wear a traditional bra or a cami in one of the colors that is in this particular print. The contrast tie, it's fine. It looks cute enough with the detailing of the dress. And then the print itself is a very pretty navy, yellow, and white, and little bits of black in there as well. The GORJANA necklace is, there we go, that's very pretty. I don't know how I can make this. It's just a very simple yet very pretty necklace. It does seem a little overpriced for what it is. So unless I absolutely really think I look amazing in that jersey dress, I'm not sure that that will be staying. I do really like this dress though. I like that it ends just right above my knee. I feel very twirly in this. So this is a winter dress. These are winter shoes. This is a winter necklace. However, I'm just not sure that this is the price of this is worth it without me loving the other pieces. Okay. All right. Number 2. Okay, Stitch Fix. Turns out the WISP little dress here, it's the WISP. I think it's the Ceena. No, they don't have the name on it. I'll have to grab it over here. Excuse me. It is the WISP Ceena. Oh, I was right. Ceena jersey dress. Not expecting that I would actually love it, but this one, more so than the navy and yellow one, this is more of what I think is being a festive looking outfit. It's got a beautiful reddish color. It's it looks very cute for like a little cocktail party. I could wear it to school, just teaching. I like it without the tights, so I could wear it during the spring and fall as well when it's a little bit warmer. I don't know. I'm digging it. And the print is actually very pretty. I think it's reading as black. I mean navy, excuse me, but it's actually a black. But it's such a either a lighter black or the navy that it's maybe like it's a dark navy looking one. So they actually work really well with these HAAN wedges as well. It's very twirly, and I love the way it just like from the front, and the side, and the back. It feels like it's very flattering. The cap sleeves work very nicely with my shape because I am broader through here and smaller through the upper chest area, and so it balances me quite well. So this one is a winner. So now I've got to figure out whether or not, it sounds like it would actually work because the 2 dresses and the HAAN shoes equal to the amount of what my discount would work out with the necklace and the top. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the top and then tell you what I ultimately decide in just 1 minute. Hey y'all, this is the last outfit. This is the PAPERMOON Larie tie sleeve blouse, size medium. It's the least expensive item in here. I do really like the shape. I think the shape is very pretty. I think it suits me. The ties are very cute as well. The print though is just not my style at all. It's kind of in between being loud, which I normally like, and way too plain, which I don't. I would rather have something, if it's going to be a print, I want it to make a statement. I want it to just kind of be my personality in a print. And this is like, just not me. I don't think it necessarily makes me look older. You know, I don't feel like I look like this is an old shirt or like an older person's shirt. That's not really a thing anyway. I've never understood that. I think it's how you wear things. I just am not a fan of this. That being said, and after I've done all the calculations, with me loving the 2 dresses, which are $78 and $88, and me loving the shoes, which are $110, it works out. Let me get my thing again and actually do the math right in front of you. It's $265 with all the discounts included. So 110 plus 80 is 190 plus 90 is 280. So technically, with it being $265, the shirt and the little necklace are not free, I guess, ish. I mean, technically the $20 I already paid for the styling fee, but the buy all discount of $95 ends up equaling the cost of this necklace and this blouse. So the blouse is actually something I'm going to give to, I think, my mother-in-law. I don't think she watches this channel either, so she won't know. So I'll go ahead and give her this beautiful blouse. She will look absolutely beautiful in it. This is a great color for her, and she likes these kind of more flowy tops like this. So this is going to be one of her favorite gifts. I just know it. So I'm very excited to be able to do that for her, and now I can wear, and I'll probably bring this little red dress with me when we travel to go visit them. So I think she'll like seeing that on me as well. All right, well, that is it for me for December. I hope that your December fixes came a little bit more quickly than mine did, and I'm really hoping my January one doesn't get lost in the mail again. All right, y'all have a lovely day, and I will go ahead and talk with you soon. Bye.